Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, my love. Love me or you hate me, no mean. Don't mess with me, my loco.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an empty apartment tour. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I can't even breathe. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell like button down below so you have notifications every time I post a video. And let's get right into the video. Okay, come in. Alright, so when you come in, the first thing you have is this closet on the other side, on the flip side. And I like this so much because I have enough storage space. I have a lot of stuff. But anyway, opening it, I think I can fit it. So yeah, this is it. This is just the space. I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet, but I just know I'm going to keep stuff here. Right? Okay. Okay, so on the other side we have two doors. So I'm going to show you guys what this is before showing you guys what this one is. So in here we have my washer and my dryer, and guys, I'm just so happy that this is in my unit. I don't have to be going downstairs. I don't have to be going outside or paying coin laundry. No, we don't do that here, okay? That's it for this one. On the flip side, this other door, this is going to lead to my washroom. Okay, so coming in, we have this very modern mirror. I love it. I love the lights there. It's just so nice. I can get ready here. I can do, you know, anything I want here. Okay, so my favorite part is this cabinet space here. I feel like I'm going to use this for all of my skincare, jewelry, okay, not jewelry, but skincare, perfumes, all of that will have a space here. And of course we have where the shit goes down, and then we have a bathtub. This is my favorite thing because in my last place I had a shower. In my last place was just a shower, so I couldn't do any, like, you know, bath time, me time in the tub, but now I can do it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so just below the mirror we have like this storage space again, just right below there. So here I can keep like hair products, all of that would go in there. So it's quite nice. The toilet is not that big, but I feel like it makes sense for just one person because it's just me, right? So yeah, let's leave this here. Okay, so coming out of the toilet, we have the living space. I'm going to get back to that soon, but before then, let me show you this little den. Yo, this was the reason why I chose this particular apartment. I chose it because it had this den space. Like, I didn't even actually see the space before picking it. I just saw it on the plan and I was like, yep, that's it. So here I can use this for like my office space. I can do my makeup here, and I can use like I plan to use it for two things, for like my office space and then a filming area, so I can do my makeup, dress up, and yeah, I will handle this very well. But yeah, that's it. So out of the den we come into this kitchen area, which I'm very happy about because it has a lot of cabinets here, because I'm trying to cook better this year. I'm trying to cook better in the kitchen, so this is going to give me the space. So let's see. Storage space, more storage. This walnut color is actually so nice. Up there, more storage. Okay, I actually won't use that for much storage because it has a purpose there. But this is my microwave. Right below my microwave, we have this open space here where I can grill, I can do all of that. And I just love the fact that this space has a lot of storage. Okay? Storage. And more storage. And more storage here as well. Okay? Now this part I'm about to show you is another favorite feature of mine because I I don't like, give me any work to do and I'll do it. Like, tell me to sweep this whole estate, I'll sweep it. Tell me to mop everywhere, I'll do it. But don't tell me to do dishes, because honey, it just doesn't work. So I am just absolutely in love with having a dishwasher, because it just makes my life so much easier. And yeah, so that's my dishwasher. I think I'm going to put an island here, just so I can do stuff there when I have groceries. I'll have a place to cut stuff up. And yeah, that's it for the kitchen. Oh no, I haven't shown you my fridge. Yes, so this is the fridge. This is the freezer. We have, it's not that huge, but I mean it's okay for one person. And yeah, can't wait to see what we do with that. It looks so clean, so new. And then above the fridge again, we have more storage space. And that's it for the kitchen. I can't wait to see the meals we throw down in this space. I can't wait to see all the meal preps we do. So y'all just watch out for that. Leaving the kitchen area, we come into the living space. And it's not that big, to be honest. It's quite compact, but we're in Toronto, so this is what we get. You get what you get here. So yeah, that's just my living space, and I'll put my TV set there. I'm just thinking, what am I gonna do? I don't know, but you see. It leads to my balcony. I'm gonna show you guys the couch. I think I'm gonna put an L couch there. I don't know, I really, what I want? I want like my living space and like everywhere that's outside to be very colorful, to just uplift me. And yeah, that's what I'm going for. And then the places that are going to be inside, like my bedroom and my toilet, I want like a very calm vibe. Is that making sense? I don't know, but let's go see the room, guys. Yeah. So yeah, in the living area we have this thermostat where I can like control the temperature when it's hot and when it's cold. All private for me, period. Okay, so moving on to the bedroom. Let's see what we have. Okay, so one thing I love is the floor to ceiling, not floor to ceiling, but floor to ceiling-ish windows, right? Really brightens up the place. I'm gonna put like a queen bed here. I don't plan to do too much with this room. I don't plan to do too much because I feel like it just needs to be a calm place where I sleep. Every other thing can be outside, which is why I like the fact that there's a den here. On the flip side, we have this more closet space. I like the fact that this closet space runs from this end, this wall end, to the other end. So let me show you guys. You can see it's like there's a lot of space here. So I'm just trying to show you guys that it runs all the way down here. So I can literally hang all my clothes if I wanted to. And I love that for me. So yeah, more space. Wait, I'm gonna walk you so you guys can see me. Hi. Hello. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here yet, but we'll find out. So yeah, that's about it for this room. There's not much going on here. Okay, we have this like empty space. I'm gonna put like, I don't know, you see. But yeah, I think that's it. I think I can show you a bit of my balcony and then that will be it for the tour. But yeah, let's see the balcony, man. Ooh, so this is like another favorite. I think I've said that like 10 times. This is another favorite part for me because I like outside. I like to be outside a bit-ish. So I love the fact that I have my own balcony here. And it's just so nice. I can take pictures here. I can just chill. I'll probably transform this place and make it, nice. But yeah, that's it for the tour. Hi from my balcony, and yeah, I would walk you guys through, the decor process and just, curating it to my taste.
I also wanted to share with you guys what my view looked like at night because I absolutely love it. I don't even have my blinds down anymore. I just spend time watching my sunset, watching the sunrise. It's just so oh my god, I love.
So yes guys, that's it for this video. I'm so excited for this space. I'm so grateful for this space. Like, I'm just thankful, to be honest, that it's all mine. So yeah, if you have any recommendations on how to decorate, just let me know. I can't wait to see what I do with it, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So you guys, please stay tuned. Click the bell like notification so you have notifications every time I post a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be